Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to quickly go over how you can favorite and organize your channels in the Fubo TV app. So I'm going to launch the Fubo TV app, and you want to make sure that you're in the guide. So I'm selected on the guide option. You can see the little star that I have next to these channels. That means that I have favorited these channels. So any channel that you get to that you'd like to add to your favorites, all you need to do is select the little channel icon. So as you can see at the top, it has all of my favorited channels, and then once I get past those, it has all the rest of the channels. So if I'd like to favorite one of these additional channels, I just click select on the channel icon, and then that opens up this menu on the side, and I can click the little star where it says add to favorites. So if I click select on that, then that channel has now been added to my favorites. We can see that it now has that little star icon next to it. Now these channels are going to organize themselves. The first one that you favorite is going to be at the front of the list, and then so on and so forth as you continue to add favorites. If you'd like to organize these channels in a different way, what you can do is click select on a channel that you have favorited. So let's just say I'm going to click select on this channel right here. And then this opens up the menu on the side. If we go down, we can find this option where it says reorder favorites. If I click select on that, then it gives me the option that I can reorder these channels whichever way I see fit. So let's say I wanted to move NBA TV up. I can click select on that and then move it up in the list where I'd like it to be located. Let's say I want to drop it in right here. Click select, and then it drops it into that location. So you can do this with all of your channels, organizing them from one all the way down to the bottom of your favorites, and you can get them to show up exactly in the order that you want them to be in. Now, it is possible that on your particular device, you don't have this option when you click select on a particular channel. It might not have the option to reorder your favorites. This is on an Apple TV. I also checked it on my Xbox. Both of these have this option, but it's just going to depend on which device you're on. So if you're having this issue, I'm going to take you over to my computer to show you a way that you can guarantee have success doing this. All right, guys, so now I'm over on my desktop computer, and if you head on over to Fubo.tv, log into your Fubo account, and I'll link Fubo's website down in the description so you can access it through there. But once you're logged in to your Fubo TV account, in your profile, click on the Guide tab here towards the top. And then once we're in the guide area, we can see over here on the side that we can reorder our favorite channels. So clicking on that option, and then you can drag and drop these channels however you want them to be in whichever order. So like I said, if you're using a device that doesn't have the option to reorder your favorite channels on it, you can always open up a web browser on a computer, head on over to Fubo.tv, log into your account, and then once you're in the guide, there should be the option to reorder your favorite channels over here on the side. And that'll wrap up this tutorial. So I hope this video was helpful, going over how you can favorite your channels in Fubo TV and reorder them in how you'd like them to show up in your guide. I appreciate you guys stopping by. Consider subscribing to the YouTube channel, and I'll see you back here next time.